What's going on, guys? It's Josh here. Sitting, waiting on my buddy. He is getting ready to pick me up. We're going to head out to his family's property. Going to try and get him on a deer bow hunting. It is December 16th, afternoon hunt. So he's been having some good sign at this one stand, so we're going to throw up another stand for me to sit in. And hopefully we can get him on some deer, whether it's a doe or buck or whatever it may be. So stay tuned. We'll bring you along as always. Thanks for watching. Alright, just got out here. I'm getting ready to walk out. Hopefully get something on film for you guys tonight. Hopefully put another arrow. Same stand he hunted. We got that 8-point I posted. Gosh, what? Second week of October. Hopefully have a good night. It's a little warmer. Snow's melting a little bit, but can't shoot him from the couch. I got the stand set up. Got Josh behind me here. Wow. 2 hours till dark. We got bait piles sitting over here. Hopefully we can get on something tonight. Well, that was fun. We were just talking about how we couldn't see anymore. Getting ready to pack up and hear a huge crunch. End up looking. There's a doe coming in. She ended up getting, what, 20 yards?
Probably 30.
Yeah. But it was so dark.
Yeah,
I filmed it, but yeah, she's not going to be able to be seen on film. But if we had 5 more minutes earlier, we could have got her. But it got cold, wasn't too bad. It was a nice night for a hunt, so.
Right about that time when we said we couldn't see anything,
Yeah.
we started getting a little camera light. Started getting really cold.
Yeah. But yeah, other than that, it was a good night. Had doe, we kind of kicked up when we first got in. But well, I'm going to try to go out in the morning. Hopefully we can get something moving. Thanks for watching, guys.